Hello, this is the phonic sound A letter sound, and how I made the phonic sound wheel A. So I just put all the letters here and the words which are appeared by this. See, for example, B A M bam, A sound. B A T bat, B A D bad, B A G bag, B A T bat. And if we go for the C, that is CAM cam, CAN can, CAB cap, CAP cap, CAT cat. Next, if you go for the D, it is DAM dam, DAP dap, DAD dad, DAB dab. And if you go for M, it is MAM mam, MAN man, MAD mad, MAP map, MAT mat. Next, if you go for R, that is RAT rat, RAM ram, RAN ran, RAG rag, RAP rap. Next, if you go for S, it is SAT sat, SAM sam, SAP sap, SAD sad, and SAG sag. Next, if you go for L, with L it is LAB lab, LAG lag, LAP lap, LAT lat, LAD lad. Next, it is T. So with T, the words with the phonic sound A sound is A says A, TAP tap, TAM tam, TAB tab, TAT tat, TAN tan. So this is the phonic sound A, the wheel. This is the project which is given to the Kenny during the Dasra holidays, English project.
Thank you.